Hi guys, and welcome to the PantherSwap tutorial. In this tutorial I go over 4 steps: how PantherSwap works, how to buy PantherSwap token, how to farm with PantherSwap token, and how to stake it. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. That helps me a lot to grow and to make more videos on cryptocurrency. Now let's see how PantherSwap works. Basically PantherSwap is like Pancakeswap. It's an exchange for tokens where you can exchange one tokens into the other. So you have like here the tabs like for trading, exchange, and then you can just simply exchange let's say for example the BNB token into VI or into the Panther token. Or you can use farms to farm more of your Panther token. That's called farming, when you harvest your tokens you stake. And yeah, so the next we have are pools. What we can do with pools is if we have maybe Bitcoin or Ethereum or a Pancakeswap, we can we can stake that our cake here, and we can earn up to 222% like in gains when we stake our token right in this pool. For example, I have some Bitcoin left and my Bitcoin isn't earning me any money, right? So I can stake my Bitcoin here into this pool and let it earn me some Panther token. After that I can harvest the Panther token, and what I can do with that, I can sell the Panther token over on the exchange. I can say that Panther token I earned from the pool, I can just swap into, I don't know, into BNB. Yeah, like give me from that earned Panther, I swap it to BNB. Now I earned, and now I have BNB. So basically you stake any of these coins that are available in the pools, and these coins are gonna earn you some more Panther, and after that you can harvest that Panther and exchange it for any other cryptocurrency or token you like. That's basically a simple explanation how PantherSwap works. Now we move on how to buy PantherSwap token. Pretty easy. Go here to trade, go to exchange, because we need some PantherSwap token to farm with that token or to stake it into the pools. So then we have you connect it with the MetaMask wallet you have. Like make sure it's on the Binance Smart Chain, connect with the Binance Smart Chain. Then you have some BNB here, or maybe you have some other coins, right? And then you just select Panther here, and you can max it here and see how many Panthers you get. And then you just click on swap, and then you will get the Panthers in your wallet, right? That's basically how you buy the Panther token. Let's move on to how to farm with PantherSwap. On the left side you have like farms, and first, before you can farm more PantherSwap token, you have to add liquidity. So let's say for example we're gonna take this pool here. So what I have to do is I have to do half of the Panther token liquidity and half of the BNB token liquidity. And how do I do that? Simple. Go to trade, liquidity. Then we add liquidity and we say Panther, right? And then we do half of that here, and then we enter the amount, and yeah, just accept it. And then we have the liquidity tokens for Panther and BNB. That's how we get our LP token. And then we go back to the farm, approve the contract, max out here the LP tokens we converted into liquidity, and then you confirm. And that's it, how you farm more of the Panther. Now we learned how to farm with PantherSwap by adding the Panther token liquidity and the BNB token liquidity. Now how do we stake? Go to pool, choose any of these pools. For example, now we have the Panther token, so we stake it the max amount of Panthers here and we confirm it, and this will auto compound your earnings and give you a return, or like you see like this crazy return, that means we don't have to do anything. It will automatically earn us Panther just for staking it there. Like we get some crazy returns. Albert Einstein said compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. That simple. So that's basically how you stake it. Choose any pool, approve the contract, and stake the tokens you have. Like when you have Bitcoin, stake the Bitcoin here and harvest Panther tokens with your Bitcoin. Or if you have some cake left, put the cake, approve the contract, and yeah, harvest some more Panther. Now we learned everything. Thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, and comment below what other tutorial video you would like to see about cryptocurrency. Have a great day.